Local variables. The scope of a local variable or constant is limited to the current block. It's not possible to declare another local variable with the same name within the current block or any nested blocks. Let's have an example. Let's say int x, then we create a block. We say int y, which is okay. But if we try to add int x, it will give us an error. And the error says, let me just read it to you. A local or parameter named x cannot be declared in this scope because that name is used in an enclosing local scope to define a local or parameter. That's why we have to comment this or remove this line of code. Let's say we want to create another example. Let's say int y. That is pretty okay because it's in another scope if it's not here, if I'm not putting it like this, because if I do that, it will give me an error. But now they are in separate blocks of code and they're not exchanged. A variable scope extends in both directions within its code block. This means that if we were to move the initial declaration of x to the bottom of the method in this example, we would still encounter the same error. This behavior differs from C++ and may seem peculiar since it's not allowed to refer to a variable or constant before it is declared.